Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you are all having a great day. Today is Sunday, the 21st of August, so it is time for our weekly trading breakdown. This is where we go over all the trades that I have taken in the past week and we analyze to see whether they have been winners or losers. So let's dive right into it. All right, so the first trade was on Tuesday, the 16th of August on Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame, and we were looking for a bounce in this yellow major support zone, right? So, guys, for whatever reason, TradingView is not letting me replay and rewind right now. So I'm just going to show you where the chart was when I posted the video, right? And it was around this candle right here. This little blue candle right here, right? Next to it, this red one. These candles right here. This is where we were when the video was posted. And I was saying that we would like to see a touch below on this yellow support zone, and I was wondering whether support was going to hold again. If price did come down and touch this yellow support zone, I would have bought in. And my target was actually this major zone up above, which you can clearly see has been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times over the course of over a month now, right? This is why that was my target. However, we did not see price climb all the way up. However, I also did say if we touched and got into this zone and we went long, I am a conservative trader, as I keep saying over and over again, and I always take profits at a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward. So if we could have taken some profits off the table at around 1 to 2, depending where you place your stop, which for me is just a few pips below the bottom of the yellow support zone, we would have had a fantastic trade with a risk to reward of over 1 to 2. This one, 1 to 2.5. So that is a great winning trade. We could have taken and secured some profits off the table. And as you can see, what happened afterwards? Price plummeted straight through, finally breaking this major support zone and flipping it to what? Flipping it to support, right? Look at this candle. Closes perfectly below it, comes back up and touches the bottom of it perfectly before carrying on lower. Now, guys, this would have been a fantastic short setup, right? I did not post this as a short setup. However, I did say we were looking for something like this to happen. If price broke below it, we were looking at going short. And if we did the same thing in the opposite direction, right? And we entered as we retested the top, or the bottom, sorry, of this support line, we would have so far also gotten a minimum of 1 to 2. Which is fantastic. So you could have played both sides of this major support level, which is great, right? So far so good. We had a good trade there. And then the next trade we had last week was a slow week, which is no biggie. We only had 2 positions. The next one was on Thursday, the 18th of August on the DAX 40. We were on, here we are, the 4-hour time frame. There it is. And, all right, let me delete this just so it's clear so you guys can see it easily. Right, look, basically what I was saying is I wanted to see, right, a candle close in or above this resistance zone, right? That is what I wanted to see. But remember, I also wanted to see strong volume accompany it. If we saw strong volume, we could have entered on the fib level of 0.236, this level right there, right? So the entry was triggered, right? However, my long position was not pending because of the volume. Guys, we need to see volume. Volume is imperative. Volume is so important. And I know it can be exciting when we finally see a setup appear and we're like, yes, we finally have a reason to jump in, right? We've been waiting days, right? We're getting anxious. We're getting, we want to go. But the thing is that volume helps to confirm an entry, right? Remember what I said about this position. This is like catching a falling knife. We can't just try and catch a reversal. Look at the momentum of these candles previously, right? Look how it came up and just crashed all the way down, crashed suddenly around 2.5%, right? In three major 4-hour candles. This is why if we saw a setup like this to go long, it is trying to catch the bottom, which is why we need the bullish volume to show up when we are waiting for an entry. So what did we need? We needed strong bullish volume to close this candle inside of this zone. But another thing is look at this wick. Look at this crazy wick. This is sellers, guys. This is even though the bulls tried to come back here, the seller said, nope, not today, guys. It is our turn. We are bearish, right? We are pushing this price down. Okay, and this is why our volume down here was not as strong as previous bullish volume when we are trending upwards. Therefore, there was no reason to jump into the trade. If the volume was higher, I would have jumped in, and if price continued to go south, then so be it, right? Because my rules were met. I followed my trading plan and I followed my list of rules and criteria that I've written out for myself. However, all the rules were not there on this trade. And going long, once we see such a bearish drop, is really trying to catch and time the bottom. And let me tell you, that is next to impossible to do. When you see or hear about traders screaming about, I caught the bottom, I know where the reversal is, whether it's at a top or whether it's at a bottom, 99% of the time it is a fluke. It is luck, right? Even a broken clock is right twice a day. So rather follow your rules. That is the easiest, most safest way to get things done. All right, so no entry on this one. We are still waiting. So let's remove this for now. Let's clean up this chart. We are still waiting for price to touch the bottom band again. Once it does that, we will be looking for strong bullish volume. Right, so no setups just yet. However, tomorrow is Monday, the 22nd. It's a brand new week, guys. We could have some awesome trades happening. And on that note, let's wrap up this simple little easy weekly trading breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found some value in it. If you did, please would you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment for us in the comment section. Let us know your thoughts. Visit our website, guys. We are live. It is fantastic. There are some brilliant traders on there posting their thoughts and their analysis across the entire trading market spectrum. So get on there and check it out. And on that note, I will be seeing you all on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.